Good medical morning. Let's go big today. This is our first medical month in review. First is this incredible ear blackhead removal clip. Is he using a toothpick? Somebody could use a professional pimple popper kit. I'll put a link below to my favorite kit. And here's a quickie from MC Sloth. Nice. If it was only just a little bit longer. This ingrown hair has got TikTok freaking out. Let's watch it again. This one has to be infected. Comment below if you agree. I think this person needs a doctor and maybe some antibiotics. Here's my favorite nose pop of the month. People scoffed when I said pimple popping was innate, but George agrees. Let's listen in and watch again.
George, did you get it? It's just so exciting. Ow! George! Oh my gosh.
This neck pop is incredible. Now let me share with you a word from Thynergy. It's my favorite weight loss booster on the market. After Thynergy is our extraction of the week, and you've got to stick around to see this one. Hey there, weight loss and fitness fans. This is Watson, and we have a special word to Leanne, congratulating her for her weight loss with Thynergy. And it comes from Eden Cupid, who you may know from Umbrella Academy.
Hey Leanne, I just wanted to send you a congratulations for losing 20 pounds with Thynergy. That's amazing. The way I keep up and keep myself in shape is I usually like to run. I run about 2 times a week, and then I have also added weightlifting into my workout routine as well.
So there you go. Congrats Leanne, and way to keep off those pounds. Now check out Thynergy for yourself. Boost your metabolism into high gear and start today. There's a link below.